In just 1 hour, can we transform this 50 square meter driveway into a decorative concrete masterpiece? Challenge accepted. It all starts by laying the concrete and then applying our stencil templates. It's then time to apply the chosen colour by the client. Then it's time to apply the texture, something that can mimic natural stone, tiles, anything the customer could want. We've got a texture to accommodate. It's now time to remove those stencils, exposing the beautiful grout line beneath that will never be prone to weeds, sinking, or other associated issues most commonly known with block paving and natural stone. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we're going to be demonstrating more decorative concrete tips and techniques. So please be sure to like our pages and share our content. Thank you very much.